from the Maker's Corner again. Yeah, it's been interesting today. It was supposed to be a really big storm, like now, and had to rush around making sure I secured most of our stuff outside, like plastic chairs and stuff. But it kind of calmed down. So instead of getting 27 meters a second wind, we got max maybe 13 meters a second, and now it seems to be petering out. They lifted the warnings, so we get this class-based warning system, class 1, so they took that away, which is nice. And it's the only thing that we have actually had is that now it's really warm. It's like nearly 9 p.m., 9 o'clock in the night, and it's plus 20 outside. And I have a fan running here just to be able to keep myself a bit cooler. Oh well, that was good luck. I really wasn't looking forward to that. 27 meters a second. That's a lot for this area. We usually don't get that kind of winds. You don't really know what's going to happen when you hit those winds. Old houses and stuff. Yeah. I had a few words to say about our project. I haven't really been able to work on it that much, but let's see. It's this view here. So, as I discussed before, I have this one wire temperature sensor that I now have connected through the prototype shield to the Arduino. So that's fixed. And I want to add one more of these one-wire sensors to measure the ambient temperature. And then I was going to connect the thermistor to the heating block, but I haven't got 100 kilo 1% resistor, which would be the best to use. I mean, of course, one can use whatever resistor one wants for the voltage divide, but I think it would probably, if one wants to have the kind of the best accuracy, then I suppose one can. So I'm gonna have to go and buy a resistor to get that done. Yeah, and then I did some heating tests with this. So, running the heater block at around 8 watts, it got around 60 Celsius, but still did not migrate the temperature. The heat transfer wasn't enough to heat up the other end. And then I thought that if it's going to get that hot, then I want to put it in some kind of a protected enclosure or something, so that one don't burn oneself when using this testing equipment. So I'm actually thinking of putting it in a box. It'll also protect it from drafts and stuff that are in the environment, make it more stable measurements. Yeah, maybe I could demo reading the temperature with the one wire, because I've actually loaded a demo. I showed the last time the demo script, but I wasn't able to run it because the temperature sensor wasn't connected. But wait a second, I think I can run it. Carefully does it. So let's see. It would be good to have that box and get the stuff better protected. It's a bit fragile just moving around. So anyway, basically plug in the Arduino here. And then I want to have this one here And actually, the script is already loaded, so I can just look at the. We just bring up the serial monitor. Yes, here we go. Now you can see the temperature readout. It's from here, from the end. As I said, I want to add one more of these sensors for the ambient temperature measure. So we'll see how that will work. And what else is? Yeah, I got some more stuff. So let's gonna try the other camera only, and we'll see if the mic works this time without so much echo. I had echo problems last time. So let's see if I can do this unboxing over at the over on the display box side. So let's see now. Wish me luck here. Sorry, I had to enable the mic. Yeah, we'll see. So that's about it, and then I will probably install it in the box, and then add the sensor for the ambient temperature, and then I'll go buy that 100 kilo ohm resistor. And of course, I think I'm going to buy that package of 2,600 resistors. Yeah, why buy one when you can buy 2,600? Not that expensive. Yeah. Okay, well, that was the update for today. Let's hope the storm stays away, but according to the weather forecasts, it looks like it's disappearing and dissipating. I'll be able to get a good night's sleep. Yeah, and then I have to fix my magnifying lamp because the cords got broken. Don't know why they use such a bad mains cord for that. But anyway, that's something I also have to work with. Just disconnect my Arduino here. And my prototype thing will be better protected once it's in a box. I'll probably put in a side panel for mounting the electronics. I'll have a little bit more stable base. Yep, well that's it. If anybody has any extra ideas how to improve this, you can just leave it in the comments to the video. And I will be doing some more I will be doing some programming and sharing it with everybody online, because we need to adapt these scripts so I need to be able to handle 2 1-wire thermistors, 1 thermal resistor, and then possibly the heater block power control. I'd actually like to get a better power module than the one I showed you. I have a nice one on the 3D printer. That's a really big Thursday, and it's been working flawlessly. So I might actually order from China, but we'll see. So the delivery times are very long. Or I will try and source it somewhere else locally. Okay, nice talking to you all, and we shall see